I've got this really cool mess kit from UCO, and they make a lot of camping gear, and I'm pretty excited about it. Go ahead and open it up here. So you got your knife, fork, and spoon all right here. They come apart, as you can see. You can slide these together, and you got yourself an extended stirring spoon or fork for cooking. So that's cool. Let's open this bad boy up. I really need to invest in a tripod. I'm telling myself that, but you know how that is. Packaging. It's all cardboard, so it's fully burnable. Maybe a little tape on there, but there's no plastic in the packaging, which is nice because I rather dispose of it. So I got the one with the bamboo finish. I don't know, it's probably not real wood. No, it's just fake, but there's the logo. So this whole thing's microwavable. The bowl is, I think. You have a plate and bowl, basically. And this comes off here. I can slide that through and take the bungee off. So, fully microwavable. You do not want to cook. Oh, cool, look at that. There's the bottom. You don't want to cook this on a flame, but you can put boiling hot water in it and it'll be fine. But it is microwavable. You have your plate side here, and you have your bowl side there. So you probably store some stuff in here for backpacking also. My goal is that I'll clip this on the back of my backpack. I have an extra hole here for a carabiner. Once I have the silverware and everything locked in, then I can clip it on my backpack and carry it with me. So I'm going to take this today. I'm going to a Thanksgiving lunch here, and I'm going to use it today and just kind of get a feel of everything. I know it's not going to make that big of a difference on eating off of it, but I want to use the utensils and just kind of see how I like the feel of everything and go from there. But pretty cool. So look this up. It's the UCO. This is their mess kit. This is the five piece, and like I said, it feels pretty good. I like it. Feels durable. It's lightweight. Yeah, pretty excited about it.